I bet this dachshund's tactic is to distract with affection, avoiding the injection.
What is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Workout for me, but yoga for the dog. It's a win-win.
Did you have a good time at the vet? Senor?
When your owner brings you to the vet,
Been doing a treat? Yeah, I was gonna give him something. Won't you come here, baby? Look how stiff he is. You'll get used.
Nope.
must be the game. Doggo devours the salami while you try to find the pill. When I realized this was the vet parking lot.
Huh?
Sorry to interrupt, but you know the surgery. He failed all
Charlie.
times in the last year. And
You wanna come cuddle with me?
But I think he's finally ready, and I want to get going before he chickens out again. Last time I barely got into a gown.
Okay.
No doubt he's feeling $1 million. Doctor, you might want a raincoat. This is a wet nose situation.
Waylon, we have got to go. We are going to be late. Come on, baby. We got to go in here. Wizzy, come on. I'll get you a pup cup from Starbucks. Please. You got to go in here.
Nurse, I think I'm having a stroke of happiness. This is her way of saying thank you in dog language.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey there. You're bigger every single time.
What happened to that little puppy? What happened to that little puppy?
Want to master medical skills? Let's turn this little pill into the ultimate fetch toy.
Oh. Ah. That's it, I'm not going.
This shy bunny is so cute, it's almost illegal.
Absolutely not.
At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible.
Sit.
Who's the real champion of this digging competition? Let's vote.
Hey, I think you guys are backwards.
Hey, big trade spots.
The little girl made a trade offer. Your dog for a fluffier model. Hard bargain.
Did you steal my dog?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
They're arguing over who has the best fashion sense. 2 tiny tornadoes, 1 bed. What could go wrong? Nothing.
You love it?
No Ghibli magic needed when you have a tiny human to come home to. Pure happiness.
That for me is a pain that I would not wish on any.
Who needs a nanny when you've got a full... Guys, I can hug these furry clouds forever. Anything better than laughter and furry friends? Nothing. When you're the MVP of the Plushie Olympics and the audience is in hot pursuit. Is this a friendship or a takeover?
This channel does not promote or promotion any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant only for educational purpose only.